No other animal is sick like human beings. Why? No other animal is sick like human being. Why? So many reasons. See, first thing, we are also animal like other creatures. We are also animal. We are not separate specimen like dog, like whatever animal you can take. Like that, we are also animal. But we have corporate hospitals, we have lakhs of crores turnovers, drug companies, so many crores of doctors. Just compare with other animals. Other animals is much more than human beings. Much more than human beings. But they are not sick. They are healthy. Why? First thing, if you want health, you have to change your daily routine, you have to change your thoughts, you have to change your food. For example, you can take one example. If tiger is there in the forest, tiger chase the deer that eats the deer. Just you can search in Google also. Once eat the deer, it takes full. After next 15 days or 1 month, tiger never chase any deer. If deer comes in front of tiger, if deer come and dance in front of tiger also, he never eat, he never touch. Why? All animals have common sense given by nature. Once eaten the deer, till complete the digestion completely, they never touch another animal. Today tiger chased one deer and eaten. Next day some deer came to the tiger. He never touch. After digestion completely, then tiger will start again. But what we are doing? We are not eating properly. We fixed schedule. Breakfast, lunch, snacks, morning snacks, evening snacks, teas, coffees, dinner. Why schedule? We have to eat when we are hungry. But we are not doing that like that. That's why so many diseases. That is one point. Second point is, you can observe any animal, you can observe even pets also. If they got fever, they never take food till complete the fever. You can observe. Why? They do fasting. When you doing fasting regularly, body will clean, all toxins will go off, body will be healthy. But we are not doing fasting. Every week, at least one day we have to do fasting. That is the second point. Third point, we have to take food after complete digestion, after complete the digestion completely. After digest completely, we have to take the food. We have to give some gap between food to food or meal to meal. After digestion, we have to give some gap. In that gap, body will recover, body will clean, the toxins will remove from the body. But we are not giving that much time. After eating, not completed digestion, again schedule. What will? Body will feel pressure. That is why we are getting so many diseases than other than animals. You can see any animal except human being. Cooking any animal, all the food, all the animals taking raw food only. You can take tiger that eating raw meat, you can take lion eating raw meat, you can take cow eating raw grass, whatever animal except human being, all the animals are taking raw food, but only human being taking cooked food. If we cook the food, all nutrients will go off. It's not good. At least we have to take 70 to 80% of the food in raw condition. We have to take vegetables, raw juices, fruits like that. But we are eating a lot of stuff, pizzas, burgers, junk foods. What is the use? That's why we are getting lot of diseases. Next, all the animals walk for food. All the animals walk for food. But what we are doing? No physical exercise. Just we come down in the lift from apartment, we will sit in the car, we will go to office, we stop the car, again we use the lift, we can sit. That's it. We are not exposing to the sun, we are not going to gym, we are not going to do yoga, nothing. There is no physical exercise. Every animal will walk daily for food. That is the difference. That's why we are getting so many diseases. And also what we are doing? Hatred. Hatred is the major reason for diseases. Animals don't hate other animals. Tiger never eat other tiger. Lion never eat another lion. Deer never touch another deer. Dog never eat another dog. But what we are doing? Human beings eating other people. Eating means not physical. Why you have to hate somebody else? We have to love every human being. Like other animals, you can go and see in the villages, street dogs, they meet, you can see groups. Why? They have their own language. They love each other dog. They love each other animal. But what we are doing? Hatred. The hate is biggest disease for human being. What we are doing? He is not good, he done that mistake, he done this mistake, I have to earn more than him, my status should be bigger, he is waste fellow, he is that, he is that. Never ever hate any person that is damages your health. Major reason for diseases is also hatred. Love everyone. Love is happy, love is healthy. Hate is disease, very big disease. Never hate any person in life for anything. We are all temporary here. Life is temporary. We don't know next life is there or not. This is a choice. This is a chance. We have to use. We have to love people. When you love someone, you get love. Our body, our mind loves love. So never hate any other person. Next problem is overcooking. We should not cook. We have to take 70 to 80% raw food. In our all health clubs, we give only 80%, we give raw food only. Tremendously health changes. So eat 70 to 80% food in raw condition. Never eat non-vegetarian. Our body designed for vegetarian. I will do separate videos on that. And also very bad thing, all the food products are adulterated nowadays. Any food you can take, you can prepare. If cooking also, even vegetables, fruits also, if possible, you can you can cultivate yourself. That's better. Next, bad emotions. Emotions ruin our health. Anger, frustration. Never feel frustrated. Never feel anger. Anger kills your cells. Anger kills your body. Anger kills your mind. That is very big damage for your health. Bad lifestyle. We have to expose to the sun. We have to drink sufficient water. So change your lifestyle. Do yoga, do pranayama, mingle with people, love everyone, take vegetarian food, take uncooked food. Automatically will change. Lot of difference between other animals and human beings. We have to change our lifestyle. We can close to the nature, live in nature. Thank you.